Today I'm going to explain step by step how to prepare to write a report. A report gives us information and facts. They are a way of organising information so that it makes it easier to read and understand. Types of report include newspaper and magazine articles, also non-fiction texts like encyclopedias and atlases. Finally, information leaflets and travel guides are examples of reports. When writing a report, we usually research facts and summarise the information that we find, just like when we are reading texts in class. This is an example of a report at step 4. This is the step that you will be working on when you write your report. Please read it over. Your learning intention is to give information about something, and your success criteria is to include a title, an introductory paragraph, and some illustrations. You must also separate your information by using headings. Finally, you must include some technical language about the subject and write in the present tense using it, is and are, and for example, when using the verb it spins rather than it has spun or when it will spin. I have highlighted the success criteria different colours like we do in class to help us find the success criteria in the step 4 example, the moon. Okay, using the colours from the learning intention and success criteria sheet that we've just looked at, I have highlighted all the success criteria in step 4, the moon report. For future reports, you can try and do this step for yourself. This is the fact file you should have in your folders. Please look it out ready to read. And this is the second sheet of the fact file. Okay, your first step is reading the fact file. Read over the Motte and Bailey fact file a few times. Clarify any new vocabulary or words you don't understand using a dictionary. Notice the features of the fact file are very similar to a report. It has headings, questions, and it has some key words highlighted in bold lettering. It also has pictures and diagrams to help us to see the information clearly. Okay, step 2 is creating some headings. After you have read the fact file, try to think of 3 important pieces of information the fact file told us about. These 3 pieces of information will become your headings. Okay, step 3, keywords, and we need you to circle any keywords that you think are important on your fact file. Keywords are important words about the topic, so if you see any keywords, then take a pencil or a pen and circle them on your fact file. Step 4 is about organising your headings and your keywords in your mind map. So this mind map, or something very similar, will be included in your folder. And as you can see here, I have all 3 headings, or a space for them, across the top, and then another box to put all the important keywords that you can find that relate to that heading that you have chosen. Okay. And finally, step 5 is about researching. If you wanted to, you could research in your own time some additional facts about Motte and Bailey castles. You could add this information to the mind map. Next week I will prepare another step-by-step guide to the writing to help you to write the actual Motte and Bailey report using your headings and your keywords.